Hey guys, welcome back. What we have today is the Hyte THICC Q80 Trio. So it's finally out. We have one review unit here. What we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this first, and we'll also be testing it later on, so you can actually stick around for the subsequent video and you would see how it performs. As for today, let's get straight to unboxing this. Okay, it's a really big box wrapped in plastic. Let's cut it off first. So the packaging, I actually like the color profile that Hyte has gone with this AIO. It's really vibrant. There's a lot of colors to it, but it's really heavy lah. So let's go off to opening this. Come on, boy. Okay, got it out. Got this out. There is a paper sheet here which says RIP4 thick. I don't know what that means, but let's see. Oh, okay, it's a carton box. So I'm getting it out. God. Okay, let's get done with this box. Okay. Okay, so we're removing this paper backing. So it says RIP4. Rest in peace to all other AIO liquid coolers. I guess that's what Hyte is actually going for. Okay, got this out of the way. Okay, so I do see the product. This is the radiator. Let me get this out. Okay, it's really big. We've got manuals, we've got accessory pack, we've got cables, and last but not least, we've got silica gel. Okay, let's look at what the accessories it comes with. Nice non-woven packaging, keeps it simple, less use of paper and all. Okay, so we've got screws, mounting bracket and screws, mounting bracket for AMD and screws. We've got USB cables with a PCIe connector, double USB-Cs here. Got this noodle here, another noodle from the AIO itself. We've got Type-C cables. Okay, so that's about it for accessories. Then we've got quite a thick manual here on how to actually work this thing up. So now let's look at the main center of attraction here. Okay, so you can actually see how big this is. Let me just check if it has pre-applied thermal paste or not, because I don't see a tube of thermal paste here at all. Oh yes, Hyte has pre-applied thermal paste on it. Interesting pattern. Okay, and here it is. How do I open this? All right, got it. So this is it, guys. This is your CPU block. It's a display panel. It has HD resolution, 1280 by 720. Interesting. And It's not that heavy actually, if you ask me. I've held even more heavier pump locks than this. So good. I think it's really good that Hyte has actually skimmed down on the weight of this thing itself. Then you've got the tubes. The tubes, they look really thick, and I'm guessing they are EPDM. I could be wrong though, I need to actually check on that, but I think it's EPDM and it's sleeved. But I wish the sleeve would have been much more tighter, but I understand why Hyte has gone with this approach, as it allows easy bending of the tubes. And then to this. This, my friends, is called the Hyte THICC Q80 Trio. Just look at this. My God, this radiator is really, really massive. And it's quite heavy. So what you would notice instantly is that it has the pump on the radiator. It runs a pump on radiator design. So there are also 3 USB-C ports. This is where these cables do come into place. And nice Hyte logo. So I actually love the fans here. I love how it's a singular composite unit of 3 fans. Okay, the fans are called the Hyte FP12 Trio. And I think they should be about 30 millimeters thick. Let me check, hold on. Okay, I've got my ruler here. Let's see the thickness of this. Okay, they're about 32 millimeters thick. Wow. Those are really thick fans. And as for the radiator, okay, I actually had to measure it at least twice here. The radiator of this AIO is 52 millimeters thick. So you've got a 52 mil radiator, you've got a 32 mil set of fans. That makes it 84 millimeters thick. So everything about this AIO is thick. It has thick fans, it has a thick radiator, it has thick tubes. It even has a really huge profile for a CPU cooler. So I guess that's why it's called the Hyte THICC Q80 Trio. I'm really curious to know how it's going to perform on our test bench. Well, that's for another video. As for today's video, that's about it, guys. Thank you all, and see you all in the next one.